The screen glows while your career fades. Algorithms are learning your tasks faster than you perform them. Soon, your office chair will be completely empty. Efficiency is a cold predator. Corporations value code over your salary. Every repetitive task you do today becomes a line of free software code tomorrow. Math does not care about your feelings or your mortgage. If a machine costs less than your monthly paycheck, your employment is officially a liability. Time is running out for the middle class. Your degree is a static document in a world of evolving intelligence. Adapt now or be forgotten. Loyalty to a company is a dangerous illusion. Algorithms do not need benefits, vacations, or sleep. They only need electricity to replace your entire life. Inflation erodes your savings while automation steals your future. You are fighting a war on two fronts without a weapon. The crisis is already here. Look at your daily routine. If you can describe it in a manual, a bot can do it better. You are simply data being processed. The bank does not pause for progress. When your income stops, your debt continues to grow. Financial survival requires a new strategy, not more hope. Traditional resumes are becoming obituaries for dead industries. The market no longer pays for presence. It only pays for unique value that machines cannot replicate. Darkness is coming for the unprepared. You must understand the new rules of wealth. Resistance is futile, but evolution will save your family from poverty. Paralegals are becoming obsolete. Artificial intelligence parses thousands of legal documents in seconds. Your billable hours are being replaced by an instant, cost-free algorithm. Accountancy was once a safe haven for the diligent. Now, software tracks every penny with perfect precision. Machines do not make mistakes or steal funds. The voice on the other end of the line is no longer human. Customer service is being automated by bots that never tire or complain. Language barriers are dissolving through instant translation. Translators find their skills devalued as silicon chips bridge the gap between cultures faster than any human can. Creative industries are not safe. Generative models produce art and design at zero cost. Your aesthetic taste is being mathematically calculated by a neural network. Middle management is a dying layer of bureaucracy. Algorithms now assign tasks and monitor performance. The bridge between the executive and the worker is gone. Data entry is the first to fall. It is a task designed for machines, not minds. If you move information, you are already essentially unemployed. Physical banks are closing their doors. Digital currencies and automated lending have removed the need for tellers. Your local branch is now a smartphone app. So, copywriting is being devoured by large language models. They write faster, cheaper, and often better. The era of the professional writer is facing a crisis. Coordination was once a human skill. Now, software optimizes workflows without emotional bias. Efficiency has no room for the traditional office hierarchy you once knew. Education is shifting toward personalized AI tutors. The traditional classroom model is breaking. Knowledge is free, but the ability to apply it is rare. Trading floors are silent. High-frequency algorithms execute millions of trades before you can blink. The stock market is now a battle between competing lines of code. Real estate agents face a transparent market. Virtual tours and automated contracts remove the middleman. Buying a home is becoming a simple digital transaction. Architects used to spend weeks on drafts. Now, generative design creates optimal structures in minutes. The drawing board has been replaced by a processing unit. Diagnosis is becoming a data problem. AI analyzes medical scans with higher accuracy than radiologists. The doctor's intuition is being replaced by vast medical databases. News is generated by bots monitoring social media trends. Journalism is struggling to find a purpose in an age of instant, automated information delivery systems. Human resources are now managed by cold metrics. Algorithms hire and fire based on productivity scores. You are a number in a global database. Travel planning is an automated experience. Personal AI assistants find the best deals instantly. The traditional travel agency has become a relic of the past. Logistics is a game of pure math. Self-driving systems and automated warehouses are removing the human element from the global supply chain. This is survival. 1. Silence is the sound of the new economy. Empty offices are the monuments of a lost era. You must find a way to adapt now. Survival starts with acceptance. The old world is dead. You must stop mourning your lost security and start building a new foundation for your family. Stop trading time for money. Machines have made time cheap. You must now trade leverage and ownership. Own the tools that perform the work. Hybrid skills are your armor. Combine deep human empathy with technical AI management. Be the person who directs the machine, not the one replaced. Strategic networking is more valuable than any degree. Who you know determines your access to opportunities that algorithms cannot see or index on Google. Financial literacy is no longer optional. It is a survival skill. Understand how to move capital into assets that inflation and automation cannot easily touch. Double down on high-stakes creativity. If a task requires true soul and unpredictable intuition, it is safe. Become a master of things machines find confusing. Diversify your income streams immediately. Relying on a single paycheck is a recipe for disaster. Create multiple small digital waterfalls that feed your bank. Master the art of prompting. Learning to speak the language of the machine is the new literacy. He who commands the bot commands the market. Empathy is a premium commodity. People will pay more for human connection in an automated world. Use your humanity as a high-value, rare professional asset. Rebuild your educational fortress. Constant learning is the only way to stay ahead of the curve. If you stop evolving, the machine will eventually overtake. Location independence is a strategic advantage. If your job is digital, live where your costs are low and your quality of life remains high. Leadership is the final frontier. Machines can manage processes, but they cannot inspire people. Lead with vision and purpose to remain an essential economic force. Your personal brand is your new social security. Build a reputation that transcends your current job title. Be known for your unique, irreplaceable perspective. Stack your skills like building blocks. A writer who understands data and psychology is a powerhouse. Unique combinations are the key to high-value survival. Decentralize your life. Rely less on giant corporations and more on local networks and global digital platforms. Resilience is built through self-reliance and community. The transition is painful, but the destination is liberation. You are no longer a cog in a machine. You are now the master architect. Imagine a world where robots do the grunt work while you focus on high-level strategy and leisure. This reality is only for the prepared. Wealth in the AI age is about digital leverage. One person can now produce the output of an entire department. Scale your impact infinitely. The traditional office was a prison for the mind. The new economy is a playground for the creative. Choose which side you belong on. Success is not about working harder anymore. It is about working smarter with better tools. The finish line is moving closer for the bold. Theta, humans and machines are not enemies. They are partners. This synergy creates a new species of entrepreneur. Embrace the hybrid future to thrive today. You are the sovereign of your own career. No boss can fire an algorithm you own. No company can steal your unique personal brand. Gok. The system is watching, but it cannot stop a person who understands the code. You have cracked the secret of modern financial survival. Navigate the sea of data with confidence. You have the map, the tools, and the mindset. The horizon is filled with untapped economic potential. Hit the reset button on your fears. The crisis is merely a filter, separating those who adapt from those who vanish into the past. Your future self will thank you for the courage you show today. Every hour spent learning is an investment in your ultimate financial freedom. The storm is passing. Those who built their houses on the rock of new skills are standing tall. The air is fresh with opportunity. Freedom is the ability to choose your own path. AI has given you the ultimate pen to write your own story of wealth. The clock is ticking. You have the knowledge. You have the plan. The only thing left to do is take the first critical step. The lights are going out on the old world. It is time for you to shine. Wake up, adapt, and claim your new future.